When we were at the training, I'm Rebecca Allen from Xi'an NPU. And when we were at the training, they gave some great ideas, I thought, little snippets of things that I thought would be so effective in class. And so I started writing them down, and I thought, being a visual person, I wanted to post those for my students to see. So I wrote them on colorful paper to make these very sterile rooms that we teach in brighter. And on my first day of class, I put these little mottos across the front of the chalkboard. And they included things like, please speak English only, ask me, give 100%, listen, this is a safe place, practice, 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 respect, don't cheat, and in parentheses, yourself. I believe in you, mistakes are okay. And so I would put these up every day, and I found students, I'm short, and I would try to put these up on the board, and I would immediately have students come up and help me put them up, and then after class come and take them down and visit with me. And when I would have opportunities to make a point about something that included these, like a student would answer a question, and I'd point to ask me and say, I know several of you had that same question. I am so proud of that person for asking me, and so you can all have the answer. And I would try to bring them in so that the students understood the importance of these little mottos that set the tone in our class. At the end of the year, it was interesting, I had a faculty advisor who came the second day of my British culture class and sat in, and I didn't see her again until she was the proctor for my British culture exam. And after the exam, I handed each of the students a brownie when they finished the exam, and then gave them a I love you. Anyway, she told me she had made all my little signs and used them in her classroom, and she knew how to bake, and she was going to start giving her students brownies.